Okay guys, this is what I really printed out on the Easycolor DTV, right? So this image actually I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. So if you guys actually purchase a Siser machine, they are currently giving a 1-year free subscription on the services, so you can be able to download anything that you like in the Creative Fabrica, or you can look for any designs that you want in the Creative Fabrica website. All right, so okay, done with the babbling on the Creative Fabrica. So the next thing that what we're going to do will be, I'll actually show you to you how I'll be going to do this print and cut. Right, so on the Leonardo program, after you already fit in the design, all right, you print it out on your normal regular printer. Thereafter we actually stick this Easycolor DTV onto our cutting mat, right? So you just actually have to stick it anywhere that you want. Okay, thereafter we will align the cutting mat on the sidebar down here. All right, so this is the alignment. So do make sure that if you the lever at the back of the machine, you actually pulled up to, so that you can be able to slide the mat from the back or from the front as well, right? So after that, I will actually show to you the reading of the cropping mark on the screen down here, right? So this is the screen. All right, so later I will actually show you the process of it. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do will be, I will actually set everything up and then I will show you in the next process. Okay, so I have decided to put the Easycolor DTV on the center of my cutting mat. So practically it doesn't really matter what kind of cutting mat that you are using. If you do actually have a cutting mat, you can be able to use it. So not necessarily is you're going to use a Siser cutting mat, right? So for example, because I am a Cricut user, so I'm just using a Cricut, it's a light grip mat. All right, so the next thing, so we actually come down to the control panel down here. We need to move the blade position onto this the identification mark down here. All right, so this is the marking. All right, so I'm gonna move it. Okay, so you can actually move the arrow. Okay, so you can actually move the arrow. I hope you get to look into the area down here. All right, so the next thing that what we're going to do will be, so back onto the Leonardo program. So what we're going to do is we just actually highlight the cutting contours down here. All right, so this is the one. After you have selected, then we will actually move to the send to cutter. All right, so yes, actually I'm connecting it using via my network, my Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll click yes. Okay, so we will go into the machine. So after it's scanned, because the scanning process is really quick, so once it's scanned, it cuts immediately. All right, so this is the process of it. So we will see the actual results after when it's being done in a moment. Okay, so it's done. We will eject the mat. Okay, so after when we eject the mat, all right, so we can be able to use our reading tool to read out, and we will actually do the iron on onto a notebook. Okay, so after it's read out, so we will actually use a transfer tip to pick this image up, and we will actually put it on the surface before we actually use the iron to iron it on. Okay, so by using a transfer film or transfer tape, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually put on top of the design and pick up the design, right? So just to make sure this is being stayed down. Okay, so just put it on. Okay, you can use a burnishing tool. You just have to rub. Okay, so the purpose is to pick up the design and we actually transfer onto a surface, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do will be we'll actually remove the backing paper. Just have to be patient while removing it. Okay, so we transferred. So the next thing will be, it will be onto the surface. So this is the little notebook that we're going to transfer on. So we'll just put this on the area that you really want to iron on. All right, so we'll actually put a lint over it, and we will just put, I'm going to use an easy press because I do have a easy press. If you guys do not actually have that, you can actually use a home regular iron, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use 150 degrees and for 15 seconds, right? So after 15 seconds, this is going to be a hot peel, right? So just wait because it's about time. Okay, so it's done. So just remove the easy press. Okay, we'll remove the backing paper of it, and we're going to do a hot peel. Okay, so there you go. So you can, this is the print and cut on a notebook, right? So you can actually personalize your notebook. Okay, this is the finished product of it. Okay, hope you guys get the whole idea of the Siser DTV, and I'm using a Siser Juliet to cut this image.